Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Quadratec LED replacement style taillights for the 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. Now, while these taillights offer a stealthy factory look on the outside, inside they feature solid state LED technology, which of course is a fantastic option, especially if you like to take your Jeep off-roading. Thanks to the fact that there's no filaments in the brake lights, well, there's no chance of ever having to replace a burned out brake light bulb again. And because LEDs illuminate almost instantaneously, well, they're safer too. And that means the moment you step on that brake pedal, you're letting drivers behind you know exactly what's going on. Now, they install easily using your factory hardware. Of course, we include a set of detailed step-by-step installation instructions to go with them, and they use weather-tight, factory-style plug-and-play connectors. And that means there's no cutting, splicing, or modification of your existing wiring needed, and no additional relays are needed thanks to the built-in inline resistors. They completely eliminate any chance of any hyperflash conditions with your turn signals or your hazard lights. Now, the reverse light does use a standard incandescent 3157 bulb. However, all of the other functions in the taillight, including your running light and brake light functions, are going to be LED. Now, if you guys have any more comments or questions on these taillights, you can leave those for us below. If you want to purchase a set for your Jeep, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest product reviews. Until next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.